day in Korea. I am heading over to Busan today with our family members. We're gonna first have to go to Seoul Station, and then we'll get on KTX. That will take us to Busan, which I think it takes about 3.5 hours. There are faster ones, I believe, but it was sold out, so we couldn't get that ticket. So 3.5 hours, not bad. We'll take a nap, and then we'll be in Busan by lunchtime. So here we go. Now I'm at Seoul Station where we get on our KTX. There's a bunch of restaurants, like fast food places and convenience stores. You can pick up quick grabs because in the train there's no place to buy food or anything, but there's bathrooms. So yeah, make sure if you need to eat, grab some food. 벌써 예약돼 있대요.
근데 이제 중간에 누가 식사하거나 이러면은 또 드릴게.
So we're in the train. I think 15 minutes before you get on the train. I think this one on the screen you will see where you get on the train. So got about 15 minutes to get in and pull your seats. And then there's tables here. So I got me a shrimp burger from Loteria. One thing, we don't have this kind of burger in America, so I always grab one when I'm in Korea. It has shrimp curry. I added an egg on it, so hopefully it's good. Shrimp patty, extra crunch. I added an egg, so there's fried egg in there. It took us a little over 3 hours from Seoul to Busan. There are faster KTX options that takes a little over 2 hours as well, but those were sold out. My first stop in Busan will always be this Milmyeon place. They have an amazing cold noodles and their mandu is great also. This is where we stayed for the next few days. This is one of the bedrooms with a bathroom attached. It was very modern style place. Very clean. This is the hallway bathroom. Also has a full shower. And also in the same hallway is the smallest bedroom, which still had a queen size bed. And all the rooms have this crazy view of Haeundae Beach. It had a full kitchen with a large dining table with a laundry room. The main bedroom also had a bathroom attached, but also with a jacuzzi tub. I forgot to film that, unfortunately. Look at this view. We were on the 78th floor, which is mind-blowing. After we checked in and dropped off our stuff, we walked to a local coffee shop that was overlooking the ocean.
손님은 대청소 앉아있어서 보시면 저어드시면
저어서요? 네네, 감사합니다. We planned to go to the buffet for dinner, so we were just killing time and enjoying the sunset from here. Just had coffee, and now we're just gonna be walking on the beach, digest as much as we can before we head over to the buffet at the Signal. Hopefully it's good, but yeah, it's just, I think just walking on the pier, you get the kind of like the old vibe and also like the new vibe at the same time. So I think it's worth taking the time to walk this coastline to the beach. It's a little bit windy, but it's not super cold right now. There's a lot of these stores here that you can check out. I don't know how late these places open, but yeah, you got a lot of options. There's convenience stores and all that. Haeundae's come a long way. When I was like really little, all these buildings used to not be here. Just the beach, and a bunch of little stands of people selling food. But you know, now it's super developed. Of course, it's more touristy. It's not like a local, more for tourists. But I think it's great. I come here every year. Every time I come to Korea, Busan is like definitely a place I want to visit. And then Haeundae is where I stay because it's convenient. A lot of the stores and a lot of things are nearby. But again, I have seen people talk about staying in different areas of Busan, which I may or may just talk about. I don't know if I will have time to go there, but we'll see. 가요. There's so many different options here. 미국에서는 맨날 우리 절대 집 안 놔두고 훔쳐간다? 훔쳐간다? They have like everything here. Literally every kinds of food you can think of, they have it here. But they got the ducks, and desserts. It's definitely on the pricier side. Got the proteins here. First plate. Lamb is really good.